Hello, my name is Daniel. In this video you can learn how to use menu and add new things. I have already told about statistics and tasks in the component setup video. Here I will tell about the rest of the features. To create a new skin to the weapon, you need to have different materials for your weapon. You need to open custom weapon data table and create new rows for our new weapon. First skin needs to be a default skin. The second skin will be a custom skin. In these rows you need to select your skeletal mesh, materials, price and textures for your custom skin. The same thing you can do with the character skin by adding a new slot to the custom skin data table. You can select and skeletal mesh, materials and price. You can put any skin in the chest. If you want to have a new chest in the game, you need to add a new row to the chest weapon data table. In this data table, you need to select type, skins or weapons, and fill weapons array. In this example, we will add to our chest the new weapon, and 2 of them will be hidden. To create your own settings, you can use prepared widget buttons. If you want to change default values of the settings, you need to open Save Properties and find the setting you need. For example, here we want to change the default value of shadows. In the Properties blueprint, you need to find Shadows and select the value from 0 to 3, where 0 is low setting and 3 is ultra setting. If you want to add your own language, you need to add culture short name in the Apply Language function. After this, you need to translate your game in the localization dashboard. There is a lot of video tutorials about localization dashboard. You can find one of them in the description. After this, you need to open Video Settings widget and find Language widget. Add new languages to this setting. Now you can switch between languages if you have added them to the localization dashboard. You can change the percent option by changing modifier. If you set modifier to 5, you will have new values from 0 to 500. Add toggle percent if you want to show percent sign near the value. You can also create color setting. Its default value you can also change in the Save Properties blueprint. To add a new input setting, you need to add it to the project settings. You also need to add the same setting to the default mapping data table to be able to reset this setting in the input settings. Let's add a new setting to our video widget. The logic is the same for any other widget. You need to select settings type. In our situation, we will use switcher. Choose a name for your setting and press plus on the update index event. Here you need to create a variable for your setting. This variable we need to save, load and reset default value. For this, you need to use save video, load video and reset video functions. You also need to load the widget. Open load video settings function and drag your new widget reference. Call the load function of this variable. To apply these settings, you can do whatever you want. For example, call engine command. For this, you need to create an array of commands and get command value using our new index. This function you need to call in the apply settings function.